We have 3 incredible price points we're gonna hit today here in South Oak and Little Elm, Texas. We're gonna start off in the 400s, the 500s, and then the 550. Come take this tour with us. Can't wait to show you more about this place. What can $400,000 get you here in South Oak and Little Elm, Texas? Let's take a tour right here of this house, the Legato. Sitting here in the Legato and tell you a little bit about this one. It's $450,000, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, a little over 2,000 square feet. And something about this builder is they got a lot that's already ready right now. In fact, they have one here for just under $400,000. And it's going to be ready this month. And that is 1,300 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1 story, 2 car garage. They got a lot available, move in ready like right now. So you want to reach out to me so I can talk to you about those. But I'm actually in the Legato right now, and we're going to take a quick tour of this and show you what it's all about. It's an open floor plan, just sitting right here. Feels good. One thing I love about coming to places like this is, what does it feel like? And this just feels right, just sitting here relaxing. I'm right there's the kitchen, the dining area, and master bedrooms right there. Just an absolute great floor plan, and I can't wait to show you more just like this. I really like what they've done. It's very unique what they've done with this extra space. They probably could have cut the house off and stopped right there, but instead they brought it all the way out. The garage is right through this wall right here, but they brought it all the way out. And you got a cool little sitting area here, or study. You got a nice window to look out, which I dig. You don't feel like you're confined. You're part of the house still. You're part of the living room, which is way up there. But I like it. I like what they've done here. This adds a little extra touch to it, a little extra space, another room, if you will, that you can sit in here, and like you could, a little office if you want, whatever you want to do in here. It's pretty cool. Let's take a tour here. So you'd walk out of this pretty cool little room. You got your stairs here to the upstairs. And then coming through here, you got this wide open kitchen, all spacious, beautiful, clean, looks good, great size island. And you got your sink here, which I think is very cool. I dig that a lot. And just very unique. Great size pantry here. I mean, that's a large pantry for a house this size. So this is our kitchen. Let's walk on over here. We got the living rooms where I started off when I was sitting down talking to you here. And then come around here to the master bedroom. Voila. And again, windows. I love this. I just love the feel of it. It just feels right. It's comfy. It's cozy. You got beautiful windows. I kind of want to lay on the bed and show you what it feels like, but they'll probably get a little upset with me. You got your nice TV on the wall. And then you come in here into the suite, the bathroom suite. Big walk-in shower. I mean, this is a little bit larger for a house this size. I like that. And the reason why is these guys wised up. They got smart. There is no huge garden tub taking up your entire daggum bathroom. Those things drive me insane. But look, so now you've got extra stuff for towels and all that. And then what they've done is, because they didn't put this garden tub here and they got all this extra space, now you have a very, very nice size closet for all of your stuff. If this is your first time on my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you like this video. Starting off here in the 400,000s. If you got, tell me what you want to see in the comment section. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you're interested in, and I'll make sure I get it on these videos for you. much can you get for $500,000 here in South Oak? Let's take a tour of the Auburn and check out everything it has to offer. Come on in. Welcome to the Auburn. This is a cool floor plan. I'm really excited to show you this one. 500,000, a little over 2,000 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And this one has some serious character. So let's take a quick tour of this place. Let me show you what this place has to offer. Again, we're in the Auburn, and this is a great floor plan. I love this kitchen. I love the way this feels. This feels like home. No kidding. We say it all the time when we come to places like this. Are we moving here? Because it feels like you want to move in these places. But great area for seating right here. You get breakfast. You could probably get rid of your breakfast table if you wanted to, and you have more space. But you can sit here and eat some food. This is where everybody gathers anyhow. Nice pantry for the size of a house like this. An absolute great pantry. I love where it's located. And great kitchen. Some great gas burning stove. Absolutely incredible. Let's take a tour of the bedroom now, the master suite. Of course, we got the living room here where we started off. I like the flow of this. Wow, right out into the patio. And don't worry, I'm going to show you the patio because if I lived here, I might just move out to the patio. It's so cool. I like this little thing right here. If you ever bought a home before, usually you walk straight into the master suite. It's really loud because there's no cutoff here, or there's a door here, but it's really loud when you're hanging out in your room. What they've done is they've added a little dimension here where you take a little turn. This is a sound barrier now. So you're not hearing the TV when you're sleeping in your bedroom, which is nice, right? And so you come into here. Look at the way these windows go all the way down to here. Look at this. I mean, all the way down to here, just wide open, large ceilings. Absolutely love it. And if you're hearing some excitement in my voice, it's because I saw this when I came in here. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. I don't understand why all builders don't do this. It just makes sense, but I'm not gonna tell you just yet. Just hang on, we'll get to that in a second. Let's talk about this bathroom. This bathroom is cool. It is huge, wide open, huge closet. Check this out. Step down shower. Look at the size of this thing. This is amazing. And here's why. These builders are smart. They didn't put one of those tubs in here that's so big that takes away from all this, because you have a nice, huge shower area there. And then you got this really incredible closet, but I haven't gotten to the exciting part yet. We're getting there, we're real close. Stay right there, don't come back because I don't want you to see it. But look at the size of this. Hey, I'm gonna leave. Woohoo! Yeah, I mean, come on in now. This is brilliant. I've had 3 homes. I don't know why every builder doesn't do this. It makes so much sense, but check it out. You walk straight into, voila, your laundry room. I love this. Yes, I mean, there's your closet, boom. You know, if you don't have something like this that's connected, I can already tell you what happens in your house. You ready? You wear a shirt, you don't wear it for very long, and you don't want to hang it up. It's not hang-upable, right? So you hang it over your stupid garden tub, and it sits there for 5 or 6 days. Now you can open this and just throw it in here, because this is the laundry room. Makes so much sense. All right, now, this is pretty unique too. Got a really cool study here, because I asked the question, it's 3 bedrooms. It seems like it's bigger than 3 bedrooms. Here's why. They got a beautiful study. I mean, this is peaceful. And to me, it's off your master bedroom suite, right? Because you just go straight from there into here. How cool is that? If this is your first time on my channel and you're loving houses like this, hit that subscribe button. Do me a favor, hit the like button. Let me know what you liked about it. I want to know. Tell me what else you would like to see. And we'll show you more adventures just like this. Thanks for being on this tour with us. Okay, I missed something. I was wondering why. I mean, I'm excited that the laundry room's right off the master bedroom suite. That makes so much sense. I'm excited the way the kitchen looks. This study is cool. But I was like, there's got to be something else great. You just get me so excited. I just saw it. Check this out. They actually have race bibs from marathons that they ran. Yes. Welcome home. This is a patio, completely covered, And a lot of times these home builders, they cover like just this little itty bitty area, but look at the size of this bad boy. This thing is huge. You can put a huge TV right there. You got room for a pool out here. This is living. I'm so glad we're here in South Oak today, Little Elm, Texas. What can $575,000 get you here in South Oak in Little Elm, Texas? Let's take a tour of this model right here called the Pewter. Welcome to the Pewter. This thing is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 2,500 square feet, about $550,000. And stick around to the end. I want to talk to you about some move-in specials they're offering, incentives. They're doing a great job getting you to move into this house. Let's take a tour of this house. Welcome! I like this. 2 sinks, huge island, gas stove, 5 burners. Absolutely cool. I love the difference in the colors. Looks really sharp, looks very inviting, very welcoming. You got a really cool dining area right over here that I like, so you get to see your whole living area. Voila! And then boom, you got a dining room area right here. And here we go into the master suite. And boom, much bigger windows. And again, the windows go all the way down. So, I mean, check it out. You can have a little seating area right here. Very welcoming, very inviting. And you spend a lot of time in this room, a lot. And it's cool to have a little seating area. I know at my house we have one. And it just does something to the actual bedroom. I believe you keep your bedroom a little cleaner when you have a little seating area in it, because you get to enjoy it just a little bit more. You don't have those clothes sitting over the couch, but you can put them on the garden tub if you choose. So let's go in here. Now, I was bragging at the last couple of houses, they didn't have the garden tub. They went ahead and switched it up. They put a garden tub. So if you enjoy garden tubs, if you like garden tubs, guess what? You got one. Again, I think what this is good for right here is you put your clothes over, you put them on once, you set them there, and you leave them there all weekend. You think you're going to put them back on, and you don't. You take them to the laundry room. That's it. Okay, I'll quit talking about that. Whoa, almost ran into the wall. There we go. You got your toilet right here, ease of access, shower, toilet. You are rocking. And you got a great size master bedroom closet. Voila! Welcome home. This one, much bigger than the last one. Dining room table. I mean, this, I'm telling you, you picture yourself eating out here with your family. It's a nice, cool fall morning or spring morning. You can enjoy your coffee. You could serve your entire meal out here. You got plenty of room for a pool. You could put, large TV over there, because over there we have a beautiful seating area. So, I mean, check that out. You got this huge dining room table, and you got another living room. So you might want to put the TV over there, or you could put it on a little swivel, hang it right here. Hope you can see yourself out here, because I can. But you guys got to come out here. You need to reach out to me, because you want to hear about the interest rates they're offering, the move-in specials they're offering. These builders are doing a great job trying to fit your budget and get you into these homes. See, because when the interest rates come down, that could be the difference in which model, which size you purchase, and what you can afford. So please reach out to me. All my information is in the description section. Comment if you want me to get in touch with you that way. My personal cell phone number is in the description. If you want to do that, you can text me or you can do Zoom, doesn't matter. But I want to tell you what these guys are offering. You want to reach out to me just to understand what they're offering. I don't care if you're moving in a week or a year from now. I'd love to share with you what these guys are offering to get you in a home just like this. hope you enjoyed our tour of South Oak. We've absolutely enjoyed it. We've loved their homes. We love their price points. And we wanted to finish up today here at their amenity center. Right behind me is a beautiful gym. We'll show you some pictures of that. And then we're going to show you what I'm looking at right now. This is so relaxing. You could end your days here. You have a hard day at work, whatever it may be. Come out here, enjoy this peaceful, beautiful area with a stocked pond of fish. And this is home. This is where you get to live. Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like button if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button. We'd like to stay in touch with you.